So on the 2nd of December I was at Holytown because I wanted to see some of the ScotRail Class 68 hauled services. However, because I thought they were going to service at the end of the year, which is 2019. However, it turns out they're not going out till December 2020, which was lovely. And my first catch date was 2Y48, the 0937 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Central with a 385022. And then as she pulls away, here came 692Z, the 0938 Colas Rail Freight, service to View Park Colas Rail from Oxwell-Mains, Lafarge, Colas. Also from here on in, I want to apologise for the autofocus. Because of the rain, the autofocus was kind of going crazy in this video, so I'm sorry for that. Then due to this, I couldn't get the number of the 70. Then here came 329Z, the 0942 Network Rail service to Slateford Depot from Slateford Depot with DR98912 doing the service. Then as she left the view, here came 1Y75, the 0943 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Edinburgh. Then this was 5K19, the early 1001 turned up at 0947 ScotRail service to Motherwell TMD DRS from Edinburgh with 68018. Then this was 1Y78, the 1021 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Central with 385040. Then this was 1Y77, the early 1045 showed up at 1042 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central from Edinburgh with 380114. It was also quite weird to see them on this route. And then with the autofocus doing the hokey cokey, here came 489G, The 1059 DB Cargo serves the Grangemouth TDG EWS from Tees Docks BSC Export Berth. And I'm not 100% sure on the number because of course autofocus is going crazy, however I believe it to be 66114.